yourself. Stop what you're doing and let him go. Pack up all your things when you're finally done. Call me up, sweet mama, we'll run. 'Cause oh, what a way to live a life, living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know when. That time will be the last he ever hurt you. Well, all your extra makeup on work. We all feel it too, we know you're hurt. I know some time will pass before you know what's real. I can't change the way you feel, but oh, what a way to live a life, living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know when. That time will be the last he ever hurt you again. Much longer will you take? Don't drown in what's around you, let him go. Won't you find your new surroundings with the man who loves you so? The man I know will treat you like you're worth your weight in gold. 'Cause oh, what a way to spend a life, living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know that time will be the last he ever hurt you again. He'll do it again, again and again. Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road.
Sit. Sit, good boy.
Take me home to rest where the mockingbirds nest and to cry through the green in the spring. Let's go back a ways to the old bygone days and the simple time we lived back when. Well, let the pull of the plow bring the sweat from my brow, and the glow of the fire pull me home. Let me wind down my days in the sweet dusty haze. Take me back down the old dirt road. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road. Take me back down the old dirt